You may have noticed the winds starting to pick up early this afternoon. That's thanks to a cold front crossing over the Susquehanna Valley. And with that front may come some sprinkles or some flurries. Taking a live look right now over Lebanon, you can see how the little bit of, you can see just the darker shades there in the clouds. That's a little bit of some sprinkles or even some flurries hitting the ground. Right now it is 41 degrees. Winds are out of the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So here's a look at the winds currently gusting to. It's gusting to 20 miles per hour in Lebanon, gusting to 33 in New York and 30 in Harrisburg, but the sustained winds are a little lower than that, but they're still impressive. Right now, sustained winds are at 22 miles per hour in York, 18 currently in Harrisburg, and 12 in Lancaster. So it is going to be a blustery afternoon. Look at the winds farther to the north and west where they're coming from. They're sustained at 20 miles per hour in Altoona and 23 miles per hour in Pittsburgh. So the winds are picking up. We still have the chance for either some flurries or some sprinkles because there's some strong energy behind this front, and the winds are coming off unseasonably warm Great Lake waters. So some sunshine will break out through the clouds through the afternoon, but there also is a chance for some flurries or sprinkles. But as that front continues to push off to the south, winds will remain blustery. So mostly cloudy, windy today with a threat of some flurries or sprinkles lasting through the afternoon. Temperatures still relatively mild. They're peaking the mid to upper 40s today. Expect some breaks in the clouds for tonight. The winds will stay up anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the northwest, and those lows tonight will be in the upper 20s. And for tomorrow, back up to the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. So a little cooler, but not quite as windy, but still winds out of the northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour in some locations. So here's a look at that wind gust forecast. Here's that 30 mile per hour line. You can see how the winds are expected to possibly gust above that until about 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then winds will start to subside later tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Right now, it's 42 in York, still 49 at this hour in Lancaster, and it's 43 if you're watching us in Carlisle. Farther to the north, temperatures are dropping to back below freezing. That's the air that's going to be moving in behind the front. We do have two storm systems, one to the north and one to our south. They're going to come together and unfortunately be another nor'easter, bringing heavy snow to Maine. For us, it's just blustery conditions through the day today and majority of tomorrow. The core of a high pressure ridge will start to slide a little closer to us late tomorrow. That's going to keep things fairly cool, and at least we're going to see some sunshine out there as we head through the day on Friday. The core of this high starts to slide offshore, and we'll be on the back side of that high, and winds are going to start to turn back up out of the south, and in response to that, our temperatures will start to rise. So windy today and also for tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the mid-40s today, only in the upper 30s for tomorrow, and there is a chance for some sprinkles or some flurries for both today and also tomorrow as well. Notice the temperatures. They start to rise back up into the 50s for Saturday and Sunday, and if you're lucky enough to have President's Day off, looks like it stays comfortably mild with temperatures in the 50s. So we talked about this before, the cold that just won't hold. Back up to seeing those temperatures well above average.
Yeah, boy, and the wind is back.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Ethan.